called Manversations. But hold on, before we go any further, before the show done, you're going to see me with a different hairstyle. There is someone in here that have a hairstyle that I'm going to take away and just fix it right yourself. I'm going to show you him before the show done. And then he won't have the hairstyle because I will have it. All right, let's move on. Bigorexia, which is the first time hearing this word, is defined by the Diagnostic and Statistical Manual as a body dysphoric disorder that triggers a preoccupation with the idea that your body is too small or not muscular enough. So this morning we'll be discussing some of the ways this manifests and a few methods for self-care. And if you understand what I just said a while ago, you're probably the brightest man in the world, because I certainly don't understand what I just said a while ago. Eh?
Yeah, but now when you're obsessed with just bulking up, that's really what it is. So it's just like, as I say, a type of body dysmorphia.
May look like me could have bulk up in about 27 pound me, you know.
You know what, so much? No, but you have the frame for, no, but for you know, never. So you have the frame for it, you know. So if you were to go the route of like bodybuilding, perfect.
By the way, this comes from www.healthline.com. And as Gart says, some of the things it says: obsession with appearance, sometimes called mirror checking, a fixation on your diet and dietary supplements, medication and steroid use related to physical fitness, and dissatisfaction with your appearance that leads to depressed moods or anger. All right, so we could take them one by one. Now, obsession with appearance, sometimes called mirror checking, certainly mean don't go there. So what about you?
Yeah, no.
You're obsessed with your appearance?
I'm not obsessed with my appearance, but with bigorexia, it's that you're always flexing those muscles to say, all right, how my triceps and my biceps look? How, you know, are they big enough? Are my shoulders large enough? Are my pecs pecking?
Yeah.
You know, my abs, them cut out. How about my quads? So you're always, every opportunity you get, every reflective surface now becomes a means by which you're like, you ever watch a cartoon named Johnny Bravo?
No.
Oh, well, Johnny Bravo, anybody that know Johnny Bravo? Thank you very much. Always a flex.
Certainly not obsessed, but I certainly take my appearance seriously because of what we do.
Right.
I am on television almost every day for the week, so I can't come and, no matter I'm in a shave and me hair no comb and stuff. So in that way, I want to ensure that I look decent enough to go public.
Right.
But as far as to
consistently be doing that, no.
No, man.
Taking part in appearance is different.
Yeah.
Bigorexia is next level.
A fixation for your dietary supplements.
Yeah.
No, well, I don't take supplements at all.
Right. So
no, I don't do supplements at all, but I drink a lot of juice with turmeric and ginger in it, and pineapple juice with spirulina in it. Right. I don't know if you consider that supplements.
But there are certain things you don't eat either.
I don't eat meat. I only eat seafood.
Right.
But and by the way, spirulina is a wonder food. It's a super food. It's good for your memory. It's good for all kinds of stuff. I actually think it helps my memory in a very serious way, and I drink it almost every single day. But I don't know what it tastes like.
Yeah.
Because
you're integrated in something else.
Yeah, it's always like in pineapple juice. So if you say, ask me what it tastes like, I have no idea. It's just that green. And anything you put it in, it turns green. Because it's green. Mm-hmm. Which is probably why it turned green.
Right.
So maybe if it did red, it would turn red. But it turned green because it's green. Yeah. Bright, you know.
Good.
Next one.
Medication and steroid use related to physical fitness.
No, sir.
So, as you know, for bodybuilding and particularly like if you're playing professional sports, then there are certain drugs that you cannot use, right?
Yeah, man.
But for some people who just really want to bulk up, you know, steroids can help that. There are other types of medications which are made for to treat different diseases, whatever, disorders, but they also give the added benefit of helping you to bulk up.
Oh,
right.
Legally?
Legally, yeah, man, you can get them.
Oh.
You can get them, and there's some things you can get actually like over the counter as well.
Yeah.
But, so it's the contents, the ingredients in the medication that when you work out, you take it along with the steroids.
So you go to gym?
I go to the gym.
Every day?
No, not in the longest while anymore.
So you don't go to the gym? So you lie on television?
No, I'm not lie.
All right, let me ask the question again. You go to the gym?
Consistently? No.
Me never ask you nothing about that.
Go again.
Do you go to the gym?
Yes.
All right, that's a good answer. Mm-hmm. Second question, when last you go to the gym?
August 7 or 8.
This year?
Yeah, 2022.
They're not good then. I think you was going to tell me last year. And I was
Oh,
gonna
no,
say a lie.
not so far.
And I was going to say a lie on television, but you know.
Dissatisfaction with your appearance that leads to depressed moods or anger.
I can understand that. I'm not like that, but I can understand that. But, you know, them say when you say that, and you say, but everything will come before the but.
No matter.
It no matter again. But it's kind of you would make yourself like that because you don't look after your body enough, though.
So the thing with body dysmorphia is that you perceive yourself in a particular way and you have an ideal body type that you want to achieve for yourself. Not achieving it is going to fuel.
Yeah.
It's going to fuel.
I'm looking for something. It's not disrespect because I want to show you something. But go on top.
Right. So because you have this particular thing that you say, boy, all right, I need to feel this way, I need to look this way. If you're not achieving it, if you're not seeing the kind of gains that you'd want or the types of reduction that you'd want in any particular area of your body, and when you take a look in the mirror, you're not there.
Yeah. General Soldier, you have to work with me here because I want people to say, oh, I did stay one time. But because I kind of stopped now, but this is how I did stay one time. We're not going to believe this. And daily I want you to look to because, there you go. No, look at that.
Huh?
Yeah, look at that. That's me.
All right, you're right. We're not going to believe you.
It's me that.
Yeah. And them time they no.
General Soldier, I want to them. Actually, that is my head with a surface, but
right.
Anyway, I want to have the great surfer now say I make him look good on television. You know want to see it again? Muscular.
Built.
I have never been like that in my entire life. My nizzle. By the way, we said the symptoms. Now, the self-care measures would be
right. So limiting your exercise and weightlifting activities to about half an hour to an hour per day. So you don't spend too long in the gym just doing this thing.
Yeah, quickly because we're getting the wrap up.
Stop your use of steroids and protein shakes and fitness supplements. Deleting your calorie trackers and fitness apps from your devices because that can, you know.
And the last one?
Identifying and addressing other behaviors that may play into your condition, including purging, binge eating, smoking, and heavy alcohol use. I will also add, see your physician. See a counselor. Talk to your physician, have them recommend a counselor because it can be really serious.
All right. I don't lie on television. Here's the hairstyle. Come here, Nick. Come here, Nick. Come here, Nanny. Run, come now. Run, come, Nick. Just sit down right there.
Right, so.
This is Nick. And Nick soon don't have that hairstyle because I'm going to take it off, put it right here. And guess who is his dad? Nick, tell us who's your father. I'm sorry, Phil. No, I think you was going to turn around and say, see him right here. So good to meet you. Give me a, yeah, man. When you go back to foreign. Them can't hear you, so I will tell them when you go back to foreign.
Friday.
Eh?
Friday.
It's conversations. But you want to see the rest of the family? You want the rest of the family up here?
Yes.
All right, there we go. Nick now leave out nobody in the family.
Of course not, right?
Yeah. Sure. Mommy and daughter. You can keep that. Is this me what? So the man come take over the show.
Right.
Now I 70,000 people in my family and none of them ever come for the show yet. And the man they are 2 days.
Where's the capacity?
Will you introduce everyone before we go?
Absolutely. This is my wife, Donette.
Hey, Donette.
Our daughter, Noel. And the man with the mohawk, Nicholas.
No, man. The man with the soon gone
Mohawk, right?
All right, we're going to go for a little break. And when we come back, a road trip for the second season of Maggie Food Court Caribbean. Stay with us. Nick, just wave to everybody. Everybody just wave them. When they're on TV, you know.